Hello, everyone, and welcome to Ancient Roman Trading Secrets with General Romulus. That's me, Romulus. This show is brought to you by Backpack Trader. Our goal is to help you become the best version of the backpack trader you can possibly become. Last week, we talked about SoFi. There was a very specific reason why this company popped up on our radar, and it really doesn't have anything to do with the stock chart itself. Take a look at this. There's a lot of insider buying going on over at SoFi dating back to the early days of March a couple of months ago. CEO Anthony, many other insiders have been buying lots and lots of stock that demands attention. They believe there must be some good things going on. They're paying anywhere from $7 or $8 up to $10 per share over the last couple of months. Last week, the CEO bought another 37,000 shares at just under $7 a share. Now today, there's a big stock coming out with earnings that a lot of retail traders are interested in. GameStop, that's right. The one that produced the giant short squeeze of a generation just a little over a year ago, going from roughly $5 a share to just under $500 a share in a few short months, wiping out big hedge funds and enriching retail crowds all around the world. And the earnings are coming out on GameStop later this afternoon. The estimate on the earnings is a loss for $1.45. The revenue, $1.3 billion. The chances are good that GameStop will beat on the revenue number. They might miss on the earnings again. That's been the pattern over the last couple of quarters. However, that can only continue for so long before they start beating on the bottom line as well. So there's an opportunity in here. You can see Salesforce.com, which was a technology company, new addition to the Dow not too long ago, came out with earnings last night and producing so far a 13% rise in the stock price today. So there is a bullish bias to some of these companies right now. And again, I would not be surprised if GameStop comes out and has a little bit of a rise after their earnings come out, regardless of what goes on beating or missing any kind of an estimate. Now, there also is some insider buying going on over at GameStop, not to the same level that we're seeing recently with SoFi. However, you could see dating back to early March 22nd of 2022, Ryan Cohen, a director, bought 100,000 shares at $101 a share. And then another director, Lawrence Chang, on March 21st, bought 4,000 shares. And then Elaine Adai bought on also March 24th, 1,500 shares. So not as much going on in the insider buying as with SoFi, but there is some insider buying going on with GameStop. And look, if they want their stock, even if it's a little bit, it deserves attention. Another stock that people love to trade and always grabs interest out there is AMC. And this one is not too far off of a new multi-month low in here. You see right down there, just under $10 a share. This has had various runs. Okay, most recently back, look at this. Look at the stock running up in here back about a year ago, right up there, almost $70 a share. Right now trading recently under $10. But the reason I want to show this stock to you, not again because of the stock chart pattern. This looks like over time it's going to simply be going lower again over time. But let's look at the insider activity. So again, SoFi showing a lot of insider buying in the last couple of months. The CEO is kind of leading the pack on that one. There does seem to be a lot of interest over here. But look at the difference. Okay, GameStop, a little bit of insider buying, not as much, but still a little bit. But look at AMC. There has been nothing over at AMC over the last several months except for, and you're going to love this, selling, selling, selling. Lots of sales going on. No buying going on over at AMC. Most recently, some sales going on by the executive vice president, John D. McDonald, on March 31st. Sold a bunch of stock, 25,000 shares for $24 a share. Look at that. $29, $28, $20, $15, $15, $15, $15, $20, $21, $23, $20, $22 and a half, $22 and a half. You see all this? And now the stock's been cut more than in half from these levels where all these people were selling. If you own AMC, you should have been listening to the people that run the company. They were trying to tell you something. They were trying to tell you that this stock is going lower. Does it go lower still? Probably a little bit. but not maybe cut in half the way it was. These people knew. They knew the stock was going lower. That's why they were getting out of it. You should have been listening to them as well, and you would have been able to avoid all those losses. Watch the insiders. They know what's going on with their own companies. That's why we pay attention to them, everybody. They know. Taking a closer look at the chart of AMC, and we don't see anything real positive going on. Stock rallies a bit right into some resistance, some trend lines, some moving averages, which we like to call a confluence of a problem, and it gets hit over here as well. Doesn't look like there's anything really instigating going on to bring the stock up to significant levels in the near term. This is definitely an avoid for right now. Not a long, not a short, just to stay away from it. I mean, it's just got nothing really going on. Again, though, GameStop coming out with earnings. Before getting into that, I want to show you, we have a Discord channel at Backpack Trader. That's right. We do a lot of discussions about trading and investing. And in the last day or so, we had a question from somebody who wanted to get a kind of a shorter term trading idea. And a lot of people weighed in. We've got the mighty Backpack Trader himself. That Mighty Mouse is TJ, and he's backpacking right now through Argentina. And he's talking about the benefits of putting a proven trade plan together. Here we've got Thrasher talking about looking for overbought and oversold conditions and using tools, indicators to identify lower risk entries on trades like that. And here we got a little testimonial from one of our centurions and backpackers. You can't go wrong with anything from Backpack Trader at Romulus and his Acta Aquila services, and TJ Mighty Mouse systems if you want to learn trading, day trading, swing trading options. Solly and Green has been trading soybeans with Catapult system for the past few weeks, and it easily pays for itself just with the soybean trading plan. Anyway, come on in. You just click the link right below, right there. Click the link. It's a free entry there for you on our Trade Hacking Club in Discord. Go ahead and click the link, and we'd be more than happy to help answer your questions, bring you some ideas, interaction. It's a great community. We welcome you. So go ahead and click that link right now, right this very second. Click that link right now. Fill it out. Join our Discord, and I'm looking forward to seeing you. And I've got a free gift for any non-Centurion, non-backpacker that clicks the link and waves hello to me. And my name is Romulus. I'm easy to find. I'm all over our Discord channel. So get in there today. Click on it. Come into our Discord. Say hi to me, and I've got a free gift for you as soon as I see you get signed up for that. So here's an excellent short trade opportunity for the next couple of weeks. Nike rebounding from the lows over here of 103, a multi-year low over there. You see the price has been going higher, volume's going lower. Ignore that extra volume yesterday. That was just a window dressing for the last day of the month. A lot of stocks experienced a bit of that yesterday, right at the last minute or so of trading. But again, it's up again here today, just under $120 a share. Sometime in the next couple of weeks, should see some lower prices, the very least down to the 21-day moving average of about 115 and a little bit. So a couple of dollar pullback. And more likely than not, if you want to hold on to this between now and the end of September, the prices should be breaking that 103 area and heading into the 90s or so over the next 4 months. So there's a good trading opportunity for the next couple of weeks. Nike, again, this has been, well, General Romulus, that's right, bringing you ancient Roman trading secrets. Thrilled for the opportunity, and I'm looking very forward to coming back and visiting with everybody again tomorrow. I'm heading back to ancient Rome. That is all for now.